Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Titus, and in this video will be a little bit different from my other plant videos, and that is because I want to talk to you guys specifically about my journey in life and also in relation to YouTubing and I guess sharing a piece of myself. Now, if you guys have been following my videos from the very beginning and you're one of my family friends who have been there since the beginning, you guys would probably notice that I have been changing my content in relation to different things. Firstly, it was about traveling because I love traveling, and it was just random that I wanted to commence a YouTube video on it just for the sake of it. And I used to follow this YouTuber Matt LeBlanc or something, and he was very good, very inspiring, but I realized that my camera angle prowess in relation to video editing and all that wasn't on par with him. So I decided to do talk videos such as this because I find it useful not only for myself when I do research about it, but I find that it can be useful for people who need it as well. So I started making that as a trial, and then COVID hit. Okay, during COVID in 2019 to 2020, as you guys would have noticed, everything had closed down and we had a bunch more time to spend indoors. And because I am a nature-like person, as you can see in my background, I have so much plants now. Before, I wanted to own so much plants and I got really addicted to it, and it's still a hobby. It's still a hobby that I do, and also I do still sell a lot of my propagated plants. It's something that I think is good to continue on in future. It's not something that I'm probably gonna lose altogether, if anything, but I do want to start talking about other things in this channel as well, which is more so related to lifestyle, how to live a better, healthy life, like how I used to post before. And those are some of the contents that I have truly missed, because not only am I sharing it to you guys to learn, but also personally it's something that I encounter and also learn from. So I guess it's something that I just want to tie in together as well to make this YouTube a little bit more of value, especially to those people who like watching that type of video. Now, for all my subscribers, I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I have now reached around 700, and for some people might think that that's not much, but having 700 subscriber is massive. Okay, so for those people who experienced how it's like to start off not having anyone really listen to your video, it's probably the best thing if you're just like, you know, playing around, because it gives you time to actually grow on it. But now I do want to take it quite serious. Doesn't sound convincing, does it? I do want to take it quite seriously. But there are some lifestyle changes that I need to make, also in relation to my work, because I am currently working full-time. For you guys who don't know, I am a registered nurse, and even though that is my background, I am also an educator at work, and that is probably what has helped me to be more articulate in the way that I deliver things, the way I plan things with my video, and I guess the confidence that I exude, even though sometimes I can still feel quite nervous. It's where I got it from. So I guess that is an advantage that I've had making the videos, that I do have that background. But for all those who remembers as well, I am also a father now, and being a dad, you do tend to get quite busy spending life, because it's good and I think everybody should. But also I have seen throughout my journey in life that living life itself is important, as well as working and also doing the things that you enjoy. But to get there needs to be some work done. And I'm going through a phase in my life where I want to transition from just being a worker to actually owning my time. And to be able to own my time, I know that I'm going to need to invest in it. And I do see that content creating is a way forward to actually build myself up, because I know that eventually, as I'm sharing these tips that are helpful for you and myself, that eventually I can possibly monetize these videos, which is very close. Okay, I just need to be a little bit more consistent and also do some adjustment in my life. But it's something that over time I will eventually see through. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So currently that's what's going through my life at the moment. Now, again, please, I hope that you guys will still stay subscribed, but I hope that you guys will continue to look out for the future videos that I do make. Now, I hope that you guys have enjoyed me sharing my life journey thus far in YouTube, and I hope that you guys will continue to support me. So if you do like this video, please go ahead and click that like button, like what I'm always saying. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, I'll see you then. Goodbye and God bless.